Dear friends, as you can see here, it's a Sunday morning. I'm going to work, and as soon as I woke up today morning, I saw that it was snowing so heavily. The weather, the entire scene has become very picturesque, very beautiful, but it has also brought a lot of work. Early in the morning, I had to shovel off around like 20 centimeters or 15 centimeters at least of snow. You can see how it is looking here. You have to clear the screen very often. In Essen it does not snow that much normally, but yeah, today it has snowed. So that's why people are also not so prepared for snow, because you can see on the cars there is no that snow shield. Here I had to go slow because it might slip. As you can see, there are heaps of snow everywhere. I have to start the dryer. Okay. The vehicle becomes unstable because even though in Germany we have to use, here you cannot differentiate where is the road and where is the footpath. That is the problem. I'm following the tracks and the vehicle is skidding. The car is skidding. I'm just following. There's a track before me where another car has gone, and I'm just following the track, but I can feel the vehicle is slipping. I don't know what is going on. Okay. It is slipping. I cannot. I have to get to work I have to start my duty, and if this continues like this, it will be a problem. I should try to get back and see if I can find another. Just a minute. Another car behind me is also stuck. Even they cannot find a route. What are they doing? This first time that I'm driving in so much snow. The vehicle cannot just cannot pick it up. It is just floating. The car is just floating. Vehicle coming from ahead. Probably those are the sprinklers. Yes, they are sprinkling the salt, I hope. Hallo, guten Morgen. Ich weiß nicht, ob das funktioniert. Ja, wenn Sie helfen würden, dann. Weil da kann ich, bis da kam ich, aber danach gehe ich nicht weiter. Bitte? Ja, ist besser. So oft auf diesen, meinen Sie? Ja, habe ich, aber das Auto geht nicht an diese Richtung. Ja, jetzt kann ich das nicht so steuern. Ja. Okay. Genau, dann versuche ich ein bisschen, wenn das geht. Wie bitte? Sie fahren hier. Ja, okay. This is not what I had expected. There's another different other people, but they have helped me move the car in one direction, so that on the footpath I can put one tire on the footpath and okay, danke. Okay. Never Gatnesh, nein. Not functioning at all. Those two people who are helping me have also gone. Now let's see what is going to. Yes, after the long 45 minutes struggle with the snow, I somehow managed to bring the car in another direction and then choose another route which I had like imagined that would be less snow covered because it's a more flat area, and it was successful. It was what I learned is that in snow you should never drive slow. Logically it makes sense to drive slow, but when you drive too slow, then your car gets stuck. Okay, so it was very risky, as in it was the car was wavering, floating, but then I somehow managed to come on the main road. And on main road they have cleared it in the morning, and because the vehicles move here on the main road, that's why you have a track. As you can see in front of the car, you have a track. You can follow that track, and so as I said, in states or the places where it snows very frequently and very heavily, there it is expected, and there the government is also ready. There's the snow removal people are on duty, but then in SN it does not snow so often. I live here since 1 year now, and this is the worst snow or the most snow that I have seen in last 1 year. I have in meantime informed my colleagues at work that I might be a little late. I had actually, when I saw this snow, I took that into consideration and I moved. I came little 15-20 minutes earlier because I had imagined that I will have to deal with the snow, but then I had not imagined that I'll get stuck. So this was one of the experience that looking at it, it's very beautiful. Snow, everybody likes playing in snow and watching the postcard like scenery around your house, but when you actually have to work in that, then it's not so much fun. I'm driving still on second gear because I think that if I increase the gear, the car will start again creating. I have to go on the first now. Let's see if somebody's coming from there, because the snow, the visibility is reduced. That is why it's very accident prone. But good luck is that it's a Sunday morning, and then there are less vehicles on the road. That is one good thing about it. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. But when you have to work in this and you have to do your daily things in this, then it's not so. It's a little stressful. It troubles you. It's extra work. So in the meantime, when I was trying to get my car in a proper position, I had to get down several times, remove the ice in front of the tires with my foot, and then try to push it. I could not. I'm not so strong to push a car on my own, and even in the situation, especially when it is stuck. So but I tried. It moved a little bit. What happened is that then it started going backwards. Initially, I allowed it to go backwards so that it will come out of that that area where it was stuck. But then it started rolling further and further, and I had the feeling that I'm losing control, and the car it sped up actually. Then I had to make a decision. I jumped into the driver's seat, and with my foot I did the handbrake thing, and then it suddenly stopped. But then otherwise, because there were also other vehicles over there, so it could have damaged those vehicles if I did not do that. So but then luckily nothing happened, and now it is yellow. I have crossed it. Now as you can see on the right side, we have University Hospital SN. This is my workplace. I have come here. I'll go in the parking. So apart from little bit struggle, I would say the journey in the snow was little dangerous because the car was floating many times, but then fortunately everything happened, and now I know how to drive in so deep snow. I have learned something today. Wonderful. All right, then I'll go and park. This is the parking spot. Parkplatz. As you can hear, snow is falling on the top of the car. Why is it wonderful? All right, so it was nice. Okay, so guys, yeah, this was nothing informative as such. I just made it for fun because initially I liked the view. I thought it would be fun, but then it got a little hectic, and I'm also not late for work. I've actually before like 10 minutes. It's 10 to 9, and my work starts at 9. I was supposed to get a little early so that I could finish off other things, but then those things have to wait, and I'll just go to and take over the note of Nama. Note of Nama, that is the emergency surgical note of Nama at the university. All right. So, okay, wonderful.